This is a Redmi Note 8 Pro back glass replacement. As you can see, the glass on this guy pretty shattered, beaten up. Got the new glass, going to apply it, show you guys what to do. So leave a like, subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, so first step, you just want to get the hairdryer or the heat gun and heat up the phone and then slowly pry it up. I'll get back to you once I've heated it up. Don't get it too hot around the camera, that can actually ruin your camera. Alright, so I reckon that this has been heated up quite enough. So what I'm going to try and do is situate a little pry tool under it, and yep, as we see, that's just coming right up. Just want to slice that. Nice and easy to do so. Just be careful that no glass comes and gets you in the eye. As you can see, pretty shattered. But once you've got that pry tool under like this, go and get pick. So keeping that bit open, getting under. Try not to go too deep because you could end up damaging something. So I'm going to reapply some more heat and then keep going around the outside. Alright, so I've applied some more heat, and as you can see, now it is just slicing on through. It's really stuck down, so I'm going to go and apply a lot more heat. Did it? Now I'm just removing the rest of the sticky adhesive. Alright, so all the adhesive has been removed from around the side and I've given it a little bit of a clean up. It's now time to stick the brand new housing on top. So now I'm just lining it up. You're going to line this up pretty perfect. You only get one shot, and just stick it down. Go around the edges, apply some pressure.